Hey, what's up, District 66? This is Paul Artale coming to you, and I am so excited to be your keynote speaker at the Toastmasters Leadership Institute on July 13th. And in that day, you're going to see two keynote presentations from me. The first, Hit Hard, 3 must-have mindsets you need to overcome challenges in your life. Hit Hard tells the story of how I overcame physical challenges to achieve my dream of playing college football. It's a high-impact way to start the day, so I want to see you there. My second presentation is called Unleash Your Message, how you can use storytelling to inspire and inform the world. And it's a presentation that we talk about storytelling, so whether you want to become a motivational speaker, whether you want to create that perfect contest speech, or maybe you want to give a TED Talk, I will help you refine your ideas in a way that gets your point across. But for that presentation, I need your help. It's interactive, and part of that presentation is actually built on the feedback you give me before I even step on site. So follow the link that's in this description, and you submit your questions to me. And as a thank you for submitting any questions you have about storytelling, I will give you 2 resources. The first is 35 different ways to open your speech, 35 opening lines to get your creative juices flowing. The second is 7 different articles I've written on the art of storytelling. If you can submit those to me, that would be super appreciated. Like I said, I work it into my presentation, and I am just so excited. You're going to be seeing a couple more videos from me and resources from me in the time leading up to the TLI. But until then, get those questions in, put comments below, visit my website, www.paul.artale.com, and I will see you July 13th.